Animal diet versus plant diet. To meat or not to meat? So, today we're diving deep into the ethics, science, and spirituality behind our dietary choices. I've been thinking a lot about the debate between the carnivore diet versus the vegetarian diet. I want to talk mostly about the ethical aspect behind it. Many people choose not to eat meat because they believe it's a cruel thing to do to animals. But what if plants also had feelings and consciousness? Would that change the direction of most of vegetarians? Recent studies have shown that plants possess a complex network of signaling pathways and responses to their environment, suggesting a form of consciousness. Studies have also shown that plants can communicate with each other and even exhibit behaviors that indicate a form of awareness. So that's cool and all, but doesn't that add a little bit more complexity to the ethical dilemma? If both plants and animals have the same level of consciousness, or both have consciousness in general, then what's the right way to eat? Hemoglobin in animal blood and chlorophyll, which acts like blood in plants, both act the same. You'll notice that the hemoglobin has the exact combination of carbon and hydrogen as chlorophyll. So we have the same living principles between us and plants. So in other words, we're chopping down plants thinking that they can't feel, communicate, they have no consciousness, and aren't aware just because we can't hear them scream. But it turns out that it's the complete opposite. The survival of the fittest seems to be the natural process in life. Maybe we just don't understand that it is the cycle that must play out for the world to function normally. But it's a normal cycle of life when it comes down to animals, insects, and birds. So what comes in natural to that which is in nature is Earth achieving a form of homeostasis or balancing various environmental factors to sustain life. Many animals and insects engage in consuming other animals and insects as part of a balanced ecosystem, where each of them plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological stability. Lions are apex predators that hunt zebras and other herbivores. This helps control the herbivore population, ensuring that vegetation is not depleted, which is vital for maintaining the savanna ecosystem. In the marine environment, sharks consume a variety of fish. By preying on weaker or sick fish, sharks are able to maintain a healthy fish population. This natural selection process ensures that only the strongest fish survive. Spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect population. By preying on insects, they help to manage the population of pests that could otherwise overwhelm the plants and crops. These predator-prey relationships are essential for the ecological balance. They regulate population, they promote biodiversity, and they ensure the health of the ecosystem. So without these interactions, the ecosystem could become unbalanced. It could lead to an overpopulation of certain species or a depletion of resources, maybe even a collapse of habitats. Sometimes it feels like we're trying too hard to piece the puzzle together, when all it really takes is a look at nature and see how it's regulated naturally. On one hand, we have those that see animals as a Friday night barbecue with the boys. On the other hand, we have those that argue no consumption of meat and to save the animals. But what if saving the animals ruined the ecosystem? Can we also factor in the natural cycle of life? And how if we're so worried about eating animals because it's not moral, neither are lions to zebras, sharks to fish, spiders to insects, or ants to termites. It's the same concept. Why do we get to pick one and say that this is wrong when the cycle of life promotes it this way? So the world would not function without this cycle. By using logic, some might argue the fact that eating meat is okay. Maybe we should just be grateful for the abundance of choices that we have and respect each other's dietary choices. Most importantly, whatever choice you make sure that it's your choice based on your understanding of what's best for you, not what society forces down your throat. And at least we can all bond over a great meal, whether it's a juicy steak or a salad. Now that's some food for thought. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the damn video. And if you didn't, oh well.